This is Bhavna, and you're watching Bhavna Ki Bhavna. Welcome back to my channel. 5 years ago, when I started this YouTube channel, my objective was to guide and kind of mentor young professionals who are early on in their career, be it chartered accountants and be it other finance professionals. And I was making videos about how you can navigate your professional journey, how you can crack interviews, how you can develop your networking skills. And somewhere along those lines, as life happened, the channel went on a halt. Later, I'm and actually I would love to share what has happened, where I am at right now, and guide. I think the honest thing that I want to admit here is that I was myself on a journey of self exploration, and I think I still am. All of us are. So let me start with an introduction. My name is Bhavna and I'm a chartered accountant by qualification. I cleared my CA at the age of 23, and when I did that, I started my career into audit, which is assurance practice with a big four. So I came from a small town, I would say a tier 2 town, which is Bhopal, and I moved to Mumbai for my job. Life became very hectic suddenly, and all my dreams kind of, disappeared in the shadows because work was consuming everything that I had. 1 year later, I decided to quit. I did not feel aligned with the work. I did not feel aligned with the company. I did not feel aligned with what I wanted to do in the long term. I hadn't figured out what exactly I wanted, but I still went on and quit anyway. As life would have had it, COVID happened. And वो होता है ना जब आप किसी चीज को पूरी शिद्दत से चाहते हो बट कायनात आपको नहीं मिलाती उससे. सो आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिलेट टू इट, बट फॉर 6 months I was sort of under depression. Not diagnosed, but I went through a pretty rough patch. I didn't know what to do. I had a lot of self doubt, and actually in that time I launched my workshop Talk, which trained more than 100 professionals to kind of do networking, be out there, how to choose the path that you're on, etc, etc. Did really well, but I think things were under financial distress. I decided to go into a job again, and that's what I did. After that, again after a year, I felt like this was not something I was really aligning to, and I took the plunge and made a career switch into recruitment. A chartered accountant who moved to recruitment. So I think it was in my cards. It happened very organically. I will not get into the specifics, but I think that has been a life-changing move for me, because I get paid for interacting, talking to people, and connecting with the really senior professionals in the industry, which I think I really love to do even till date. I'm still into the same field, by the way, and I think that made me realize that unfortunately in this country, chartered accountants are like really exploited people. I don't know how else to put it. I mean, jobs are underpaid, overworked, and so low quality. I mean, most of the people, I'm not saying all of us, it's a highly coveted degree, and I love being a CA. I am still very much connected with my roots, and where I come from, it's not, I would say it's a place of privilege, but the problem is how the industry views us. So after interacting with almost 80% of the people that I interacted with, they were not happy where they were working, the jobs that they were doing. And I took a very conscious call that audit or finance is not something I want to continue doing, because it does not offer me the kind of balance I'm looking for in life, and it does not offer me the contentment that I'm in general looking for in life. So I wanted to move to a more client relationship, front end kind of a role, where I was able to own the business that I did, and that's exactly what I did. So I wanted to make the best use of my networking skills, my communication skills, and that's exactly what I did. So it's been 4 years and I'm still doing that, and I think I'm happy in the sense that my work actually offers me a lot of balance. It offers me a lot of exposure. It offers me a lot of ownership in my work. It's not a back end job. And I'm in no way trying to put down the people who do back end jobs. It's excellent, but it was just not for me, right? So that's about it. So this career switch from audit to recruitment actually happened very naturally for me, and I think if you are in a place in life where you are just looking to kind of do something which aligns more to your vision, your idea of who you are and who you want to become, try taking smaller steps towards it. Uh, if you don't know where to begin at all, then I would suggest the one place to start is actually by starting to write on LinkedIn, because expressing who you are actually gives you a lot of visibility to people, and that's sort of how my move also happened. So I think I will talk in my next video about how you can leverage LinkedIn to, build a personal brand and to kind of go out and about to do things that you really want to do. But did you enjoy this video? Tell me, and if there are any more topics that you would like me to cover, tell me in the comments. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you gained some light out of this video. See you. Bye bye.